Hi, my name is Virendra, and I'm a jeweler by profession. I have a jewelry store at Khar West, Mumbai. And I got to know about this course from Mr. Amit Mulani uh, way before this course was even decided this was happening. And it's about import and export. And I feel he's the one of the best, or maybe one of the best kind person where you can know everything about import and export. इतनी साधारण तरीके से कोई बता सके तो यही है और आपकी कोई भी इंक्वायरी हो कुछ भी हो वो सब आपको मिल जाता है इन द बेस्ट यू कैन एवर डू एंड आई रिकमेंड दिस टू ऑल जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी पर्सन टू अटेंड and know more about exports. Thank you.
Amit Mulani and team, India's best export-import business trainers.